As part of activities marking the 2025 World Malaria Day, the Akwa Ibom State Ministry of Health has received a significant donation of over 50,000 malaria drugs from the state-owned airline IBOM Air. The official handover ceremony took place at the Indonesian Nkanga Secretariat in Uyo, which aimed at strengthening preventive malaria care, particularly for pregnant women and children under the age of 5. Receiving the consignment, the State Commissioner for Health, Dr. John Ekem, expressed appreciation to IBOM Air, noting that the donation would benefit over 15,000 pregnant women and more than 10,000 children under the age of 5 across the state.
We could go on and on to extrapolate on the impact of what you've done today in terms of maternal mortality reduction, in terms of under 5 mortality reduction. The impact is massive and we are glad. So on behalf of the entire Ministry of Health, on behalf of the program manager, I'd like to thank IBOM Air immensely, and I would like to say that here at the Ministry of Health, we will continue to cheer you to more success. We'll continue to celebrate all your wins, because for us, we consider the wins of all our partners as our own win.
Chief Executive Officer of IBOM Air, Captain Mfon Udom, highlighted that the gesture is part of the airline's corporate social responsibility. CSR focused on expanding access to quality health care for low-income communities.
The deaths recorded due to malaria. And of course, we can't leave it to others without participation. So the program today, why it is important, we would have just gone into the office and handed over the airspace, but it is actually the awareness. So let everybody see and be aware. And we don't have to have any program or publicity from, once we are aware, we go to town, not waiting for World Malaria Day.
Also speaking, Dr. Etop Antia, Director of Public Health and Farm Pact Program Manager, Mrs. Imelda Abba, noted that this year's World Malaria Day theme, Reinvest, Reimagine, Reignite, is well reflected in the collaboration between the state and IBOM Air.
The theme for this year's World Malaria Day, it says Reinvest, Reimagine, and reinvent or reinvigor, or reignite. So I think what IBOM Air is doing today is reigniting, that passion, for collaboration, for partnership, for brotherhood.
Farm Pact Fight Against Malaria in Pregnant Women and Children today is geared towards the most vulnerable in the society, which are the pregnant women and children under the age of 5. And this is because when they have malaria, with a more weakened immune system, it becomes life-threatening.